Yo, what's good? Kieran Can't Yo-Yo here, back again with another video. In today's video, I have this super cool zoning tech trick for you. I'm very ill, so please bear with. Here's what the trick looks like from my perspective. Messed up a little bit there, but that's okay. Anyway, yeah, a couple of things before we get into this video. This video, I'm going to be using the Deviant Plus. And this video is obviously sponsored by Go Yo-Yo UK. So you can head on over there and use code Kieran5 for 5% off. Anyway, yeah, let's get into this tutorial. So to start off with, you're going to roll into your trapeze. And then after that, you're actually going to put your arm through it. But making sure that as your arm goes through, you've A, got this little wrap, and B, it's like facing you, like that. So once your arm is through, you're then going to do like this little hop, right, to try and form a wrist mount. It is easier if you do it all in one motion, like that. But basically, you can sort of see what's happening. It just sort of hops, so it's like on this string. And then as your arm goes round it, it just sort of rejects and lands into like an actual wrist mount. Open this wrist mount out and then pop the yo-yo out off to the front. And then you can cross your hands, putting your non-throw hand under the yo-yo or under your other hand like so, and then land the yo-yo on that front string like that. That is the first half of this trick. So give me what I need and I'll be out of your way. Of direction. It's just a boom and then pop up, land on the front, and then you can drop this string and then grab both of these as you swing round like so. And as you're coming round, you're going to do a whip similar to this meta whip. You're just going to do the exact same thing, but instead of being like that, it is like that. So you're going to create that loop, okay, in the back, and then that should, so bang, and then whip. So from this whip, you're going to notice there's a string on your index finger. You're going to want to drop that, and then drop every string. Then you can put your finger into this big loop, and drop this slack off the front of the yo-yo. Then do a little semicircle, and you should be in a green triangle which pops from the front. And that is the whole trick. Direction. Give me some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense. So yeah, I'll go over it one more time for you. So, arm in the trapeze, hop, pop off the front, land on the string there, like weird metal whip into the back of the yo-yo, so like a green triangle, and bind. And yeah, that is the whole tutorial. I know this one's pretty quick, but it's quite a short trick. If you have any comments or questions, let me know down below. Otherwise, yeah, peace.
just wanna stay in with you, in with you. 'Cause everyone is so